I don't know how much longer I can hold this.
Looking, 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 everywhere.
And they're looking for radionucleotide emissions.
And they linked to a guy's Twitter account who linked to another Twitter account that was deleted recently. But they said, look, I know what these drones are. I know what this is. He says, you know, it's my opinion that they're running these things because maybe they think there's going to be a nuke.
So it is my belief that our government has reason to believe that a nuclear device, whether it's a dirty bomb or a kaboom boom, is in the United States, and they're never going to tell you. Because if they said that they believed there was the possibility of a dirty bomb or a nuclear bomb in New Jersey, there would be instantaneous panic.
You're clear. Move ahead. Clear.
Show's starting. Those bombs?
God, they're everywhere.
We interrupt election coverage now for some breaking news. We are getting unconfirmed reports about a series of explosions along the city's seawall.
And we are live watching the Batman vigilante atop Gotham Square Garden, helping to save the lives of hundreds of injured victims after devastating explosions took out the city's seawall.